Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your Subscriber's Choice this Tuesday, where you get to vote what I review. This time it's going to be the high-end designer, niche, indie lineup. We saw a win by YSL. Baby Cat is gone. It's out of the lineup. It's going to get replaced by something else from my little niche bucket, and the other four continue to come into play, so we'll see. There was a few that were very close to Baby Cat, so I'm assuming, I don't know if the new guys are really up to snuff in regards to these, but we'll see. So let's take a look at before we do that, the rules. So if you're new, it's easy. One comment below per YouTube channel, and your comment is your vote. That's it. You comment more than once, I just get rid of your comments. If your comment doesn't make sense, doesn't look like a vote, I just ignore it and keep it moving. You got 48 hours to vote as per the published time of this video. So it's on Tuesday, usually in the morning. So on Thursday morning, I shut her down. So let's take a look at the 5 contestants. We got 4 returnees and 1 newbie. Let's take a look at the first one from the house of Bvlgari. This one was very close to winning last week, so it's a solid contender. This is Bvlgari's Tygar. I hear really good citrus. We'll see. I can't wait to get my nose on that one, actually. Well, all of them personally. That's why they're in the sample bucket. Well, some of them. This is Nasomatto's Sadonaso. So that one, the newest from Nasomatto, was also a close contender for last week. So I'm assuming those two are usually the big ones. This one is kind of falling in the wayside. It's been a week 1 sample. This is Christian Dior's Dioriveria, which is their newest release, also 2023. And then next is Louis Vuitton's Nouveau Monde, which was introduced last week but lost. And our newbie here is going to be from the brand of Byredo. Like I said, I got a whole bunch of samples from the brand of Byredo. I really want to test out their fragrances. This one is from their actual main line. This is Mojave Ghost. Never smelt it. It's an older release, of course, but I do want to get my nose on some of these older releases, and you're going to see some of those in these Subscriber's Choice at times. I'm going to try to mix it up with new ones and old ones. But there's your choices. You know what to do. Certainly appreciate all your support on the channel. Looking forward to seeing who wins in the comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for voting. Have a good one.